Magandang hapon po ng February 10, 2026 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng February 10, 2026 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, February 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 10, 2026, Tuesday. Here are the two next jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, and Lotto 642 for Tuesday, February 10, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for February 10, 2026, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.